I'm Ashley from Afosto. Today, I'm going to be showing you a demo of how to set up Quicq for a WordPress website. First, we need to create an Afosto account. If you don't have one, go to afosto.com/register to create a free account. Fill in your name, email address, and password, then click Register. After that, you'll be able to log in to your newly created account. In your Afosto account, you can now install the Quicq app by clicking on Start Free Trial. After installing the app, the tasks should show up for setting up Quicq. Now we can set up your first Quicq CDN, which will serve your images in an optimized format through our lightning-fast CDN. Do this by clicking on Create CDN, which will open up the admin panel. Here you can choose a unique URL key, which could be your company name or a short version of your company name. Next, we need to select the URL of an image on your website. So go to your WordPress website, then right-click on an image on your website and select Copy Image Address. Now you can paste this copied image address in the text box and click on the Validate Website button. It should say WordPress, then it should show the path to your image so that you can check if it's correct. Then click Add at the bottom of the page to add your first CDN. Now that the CDN is set up, let's go back to the WordPress environment to install the Quicq plugin. In the plugin store, search for Quicq, then click Install Now. After installation, click Activate. Once the Quicq plugin is installed and activated, it should show up on the sidebar of your WordPress admin panel. Click on the Quicq logo to open up the plugin settings. All we need to do here is insert the key we chose when creating the Quicq CDN. Be sure to click the checkbox to enable Quicq, then save changes. Now, all of the images on your website will be optimized via the Quicq CDN. To check if this is working, you can head back to your website, and after refreshing the web page, you can copy the image address again and place it into the URL of the browser. The URL should start with quicq.cdn.io, which means it's been served by the Quicq server, and it's optimized in the best format possible. It should also be a lot smaller than your original image. I hope this tutorial helped you to set up Quicq for your WordPress site. If you have any questions about Quicq, please send us an email or enter a comment below this video. If you like this video and want to stay updated with new features from Quicq and Afosto, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel.